This one was technically the first book I worked on, so The North Wind and the Sun. It's one of those like a Aesop's fable, so it's just a retelling of a classic. It's just a simple board book, so it just has relatively straightforward characters rolling through. And then at the same time, I got to work on Donut Worry, which it's the most like yellow, bright book ever. This is great, because this is all about managing anxiety, so this couldn't have come at a better time really. It was literally like as lockdown was happening. This is all about, so Donut is incredibly worried, and the premise is that Donut is kind of worried about going back to school. You know, what if I miss the bus? What if where am I going to sit at lunch? What if my shoelaces come untied? All that stuff. And it's kind of about dealing with that and talking about feelings. This is my favourite book that I've ever done, by the way. Curious Questions and Answers about prehistoric animals. It's like the most colourful neon thing. So where is it? Oh, it's a Dimetrodon, one of these. I absolutely love that, like a huge like sail on the side, on the top even. Love that. From the Permian era, everyone, so you can learn that by getting a book. But also, I love any of the pterosaurs, because Jurassic Park 3 was amazing. Look at this, look at that whole page of pterosaurs, right? And it literally shows you like so what's it called? A Quetzalcoatlus, that's bigger than a plane. And then this little tiny thing, they're smaller than a sparrow. So imagine a little tiny pterosaur. And this one's picking his nose, which is really cool. But yeah, my favorite spread